We at ServiceNow have been doing this customer excellence survey for last 3 years. We started with first year, just did it with customers. The second year we did with customers and service reps. This year we did with customer service rep and the business leaders.
Right.
One of the things that really caught my attention this time, Aditya, was there was this data point that 80% of the service reps say that they have to navigate 3 or 4 systems to basically get to an answer that they can give it to the customers.
Right.
Now, does that resonate with what you see in the market, and what does it mean, and how does it impact the outcome for the end customer?
Okay. So see, um, customer experience could be it, and sometimes is misunderstood, right? Because when your ambition is actually defined for experience, people sometimes think that okay, I need to have a good CRM system, which is right up in the value chain, right? Or some of them say that okay, I am getting so many calls, so my touch point orchestration one would be call center. So my call center should be very, very good, right? Could be in a BFSI or a telco industry, which is multiple transactions, right? But the way the customer sees it is different. The customer is actually seeing it from a journey perspective, right? So what's happening today is the ambition and what happening in the reality, as you rightly said, in the front line, there is a massive gap. Is because on the ground, right, the data is still fragmented, right? You don't have a coalesced system which feeds in data from different places, right? You don't, maybe from spreadsheets, from emails, from the insights coming in from multiple different sources, and you don't have a single pane of glass for the agent in the frontline desk to actually look at it and give an answer, right? So that results in turnaround times for each call going up. The customer is actually waiting for answers because the frontline agent actually looking through many systems, right? Now, that's the issue where we are seeing, although investments are coming in, but investments is just going in building in one tech platform, whether it's a CRM system or really augmenting, saying, I'm going to build in a good telephony network for a call center. But how do you connect the two? Because the journey of a customer starts when you acquire them, right? So that's not happening, right? So we need to see it from that lens. I think that's going to be the game changer, because you have to move from orchestrating a channel to orchestrating a journey, right? You have to move from technology implementation to building out the processes, because that is where the change will come in. And now with AI in everywhere, in every conversation, in every sentence, right? How do you sprinkle that in different places? That's going to be very critical. And with this data fragmentation, you won't be able to really make AI work.
Yeah, no, that's so true. I mean, we have this patchwork of enterprise. We've kind of digitized the silos, but not connected them to a single framework or a single data
Yeah.
layer, and that's why we've been talking about digital transformation for decades. But I think we've digitized but not transformed, and mainly because of that reason.